Hey everybody, it is your resident pancake heathen, Ian, and I just wanted to take a moment and let you know that we are going to announce that Motorcycles and Pancakes is doing a winter series entitled, long dramatic pause, How Far Will I Make It? Yes friends, it's exactly what it sounds like. How far will I make it? We're going to ride all winter my favorite areas, my favorite roads, and my favorite trails, and see how far we can make it before Mother Nature says, hey kid, what are you doing up here? Now turn around and get to stepping back home because you're not going any further. Pretty sure that's what she would sound like. Join myself, the usual cast of characters, as we embark on this journey of shenanigans together. And what I would like to also do is invite all of my friends that like to make videos and create content to join in this journey together with us. Make your own interpretation of how far will I make it. Doesn't matter. Let's pretend you live, I don't know, on Vancouver Island and you like to ride around the island and do a bunch of videos. You can do your own version through the winter there. Maybe you live in like central Germany and ride a GS. Probably some good stuff there you can do too. Or maybe you like to make movies, live in India and ride an Africa Twin on your off time. You could do videos too. Let's all do these together. And let's use the hashtag. But Ian, the hashtag you're about to say is so very long. I know it's long. But let's use the hashtag together. How far will I make it? ADV 2223. And we can share these videos together. Oh my gosh, that's such a long hashtag. Yes, but once you do, how far will I make it? ADV 2223. It should auto-populate. You hit the button, it goes there, download video, we all see it. Oh my gosh, it's great! We can share on these journeys together, okay? So, if you like what we're doing here at Motorcycles and Pancakes, obviously you can find us on the Instagram and the YouTubes. And if you go onto YouTube, give us a subscribe, give us the bell, that way you know when we're dropping videos. And the most important thing, I can't say this enough, is to comment your favorite pancake establishments and where they are located, so as we're planning trips we know where to stop and give them a proper pancake review using, yes, you heard it here first, the pancake rating system, otherwise known as the PRS. It's intergalactically known, it is superior to any other, and it's scientifically proven to be the best pancake rating system in the history of mankind. That's why it's so important for you guys to leave us a comment of where we're going next. As usual, friends, ride safe, eat more pancakes. Okay, bye.